Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very quick review of the market situation. Euro USD only. I will not focus your attention on cable, Great Britain Pound USD. So, as you remember, today I posted a plan B for Euro USD because according to the pattern, but I suppose to think that most of you is asking what kind of patterns. Actually, big numbers of patterns, and everything is available in the Google search. In the internet there are tons of the information about this, but if you would like to have a quick example, so here we go. So the previous 8% is just, I will quickly repeat for the newbies who have never heard anything about a professional target indicator. So if you have no idea how it's working, how to build it on the graph, so you can see, just you can all we need just a visually evaluate the market and find the top extremum or low extremum. So here we have low extremum, here we have top extremum. This is one more example of the market situation of the candlestick patterns, which will indicate and have a good signal for us for the reversal movement. And as we can see in this case, this is correction. We have good correction for 4.5, no, it's 5%. We cannot see because the lower percent between 4 and 6, it is possible to see on the lower time frames, but this is not the point of this video. Just want to quickly show you. Okay, here we have low, we build a retracement, then the plan B was built for the case if the 8% will be not broken, but we can clearly see that 8% has been broken. And let's see the plan B. So plan B was test of the 4%. 4% we can get in 80 to 95% of the cases. If the volatility is higher than normal, what we can see at the moment, today, yesterday, and the day before yesterday. So the price can even reach 8%, but not in this case. I already analyzed the market situation, the volatility, probability of the volatility, the size of the volatility, and I make a plan B test of the 4%. But unfortunately today we have the situation when the price cannot go more than 10 pips. So if the price cannot move more than 10 pips, so we can call it fake breakout. Fake breakouts, then the price consolidate, accumulate the short position. Maybe when we see this kind of situation, so newbies, new traders that just get this indicator. Actually, I was the same, like back in 3 or 4 years ago, when I just when I see 8%, it's 100% will be working like this. So I open here and I add position here, and if we accommodate stop loss, short stop loss right here. So that is the reason why 10 to 15 pips is not enough. That's why I always say that from critical levels we have to accommodate stop loss at least 25 pips. So let's say we open here, so our stop loss will be 1.1090. This example for stop loss is for Euro USD. If there are another currencies, so the stop loss might should be higher. So for example, if we are talking about the Great Britain Pound USD, so the price sometimes can show us the pin bar or fake breakout of the levels, of the critical levels. You remember for graded pound USD, instead of 8%, we have 16%. So sometimes price can break out the level for 35 or 50 pips. So it's kind of tricky. That's why I prefer to trade Euro USD. The profit, of course, is 2 times or 3 times less than cable can give us, but it's more safe and according to the money management, it's more attractive to trade Euro USD. So we clearly see the accumulation right here, and in 11 a.m. European time, we saw the breakdown of the end of accumulation level. This letter E, it means end of accumulation. So let's say we have distribution zone. So this is the zone where market makers open sell positions. They start to open here. That's why we have letter S. It means start of accumulation of the sell levels. If it is down, it's vice versa. So it means is starting of accumulation long positions. But in this case, we have short positions, and this is end of the accumulation of the short positions. So level 1 is clear, level 2 is clear. This level was known. We know this level 10th of April, 11th of April, when 2% has been broken. That was the confirmation. I think this is very, very typical and very, very basic situation, market situation. Yeah, when the price is growing, and just take a look on the candlestick patterns. So I would like to point your attention on the candlestick, because what we can see, a huge amount of candlesticks with a short body. What does it mean? Even I remember my first lesson, and my tutor, he said, Michael, please remember this kind of situation, what we can see over here. If there is continuously movement with the huge amount of the candlesticks with the short body, it means 100% that from this level, market makers, they buy carefully, they adding the position, they accumulate. This is like a bullish flat. Why they call it bullish flat? Because the big amount of the candlestick patterns with a short body. Why they are doing this? Because they want to cheat with the all indicators we have in MT4. All indicators, but there is still one solution which will be told, which I will tell you later on during the private lessons. For those who will be participating in the special program, I will describe a little bit at the end of this video. So they start to buy, they buying, they broke out 2%, then they reverse, they confirm the level 2%, and then they continue to push the price higher to the next levels, 4%, 6%. Of course, here we have a powerful impulse 3:30 p.m. because of the release of the very important news. You can check, guys, in the economical calendar, because why I never would like to waste your time in my video, because if I will be focused about each event, each economic event from the economic calendar, so this video maybe will take half an hour or maybe 1 hour. So the main point, you can already see the main target of market makers, how to create plan B, and if you'll ask me, where is the take profit for the sell positions? So if you don't want to wait 3, 4, 5 days unless the price will reach 8%, 6% or 4%, so the minimum take profit would be 2%. 2% I marked for you guys with the trend lines, horizontal line. You can see one option, 1.1017, 1.1022. So as you can see, maybe depending from the broker, the second level is sometimes is not testing perfectly. Of course, we will never know. Today is a Friday. Usually Friday is the day when the price is going in the one direction. Right now we can see this is the bearish direction. But if we don't want to play the casino, and we never know if the price will reverse from this point, because here we can clearly see some accumulation of the price duration is 18 candles. So near the 2% is like 50-50. So let's say we open here. In that case, we earn 40 pips. If we open from the start of the accumulation zone of the market makers, so we can earn only 18, let's say 20 pips. So this is your decision. Why would you like to open the sell position? Because yesterday actually I posted this video and I posted LinkedIn in advance before the price reached this level. Actually during the video price reached start of the accumulation of the short position right here. It bonds, it give us opportunity to do kind of scalping, 10 pips plus 10 pips, and after that it moves towards to 8%, the second level, what I already explained. This is the end of the accumulation of the short position, end of the accumulation of the short position made by market makers. So actually that's it about the market situation Euro USD. And if you guys are interested in this indicator, if you want to know more, to get more deep knowledge about how to build this zone, the principle of the building of this zone, of course the secret of this indicator cannot be opened, because even indicator providers which are selling this giving you opportunity to subscribe on the monthly basis or on the yearly basis, they also don't open this information, because of course this is their money, and I respect this. It's enough that they share with us opportunity to use such a perfect indicator and to earn money without hassle, any hassle. I think it's very easy to trade using this indicator. Of course, let's get back to the VIP training for those who would like to get good results and consistent and perfect results in trading. Actually, I will be not promising that you can be a professional trader of the 100 currencies or cryptocurrencies or a stock share, but regarding the Great Britain Pound USD, Euro USD, and gold, because the trading strategy is working for this sort of the currencies and metal, it's actually possible. So if you guys would like to get more information and participate in the VVIP training course, so I will describe the step-by-step instruction, because the purpose of this YouTube channel is to attract attention of IB partners, master IB partners, investors, traders because our philosophy is not to give you the wrong information about the fake trading strategies. I am actually developing the strategy which I will announce at the end of the year. The first step of the test has been finished. Now I am trading on the real account, Light Finance. As you can see, ECN of Light Finance. If you guys are looking for the zero spread for Euro USD and less than 1 point for Great Britain Pound USD, 100% swap free account, no sleeperage, no freeze of the MT4 terminals, because I already tried a few companies, a few forex merchant, forex brokers, and unfortunately I cannot say that most of them will provide you the perfect conditions. So if you would like to trade with leverage 1 to 50, 1 to 10, 1 to 1000 is maximum, it's up to you. It's up to your money management. It's absolutely possible. And what else I would like to point your attention that as what is special we can offer for you that another brokers cannot offer. This is, as I already said, this professional indicator which will help you and assist to find the best entry levels, the best exit levels. Example of the entry levels you can see: short, one option, second option, and exit levels, of course. Yeah, because in MT4, of course, you can find a lot of the indicators, tons of the indicators, but if one of the indicator can give you the hint for the entry level, but what about the exit level? So this indicator is absolutely universal, and it will give you opportunity to find the best solution for entry level, short stop loss. As I said in the previous videos, you don't have to accommodate 50, 70 or 100 pips. This is absolutely nonsense. And of course, if you are not too greedy, if 20 or 40 pips, depending from your patience, if it is enough for you, so please drop your message in the comment or contact me via the LinkedIn Messenger, and I will be more than welcome to provide you the best training ever. See you in the next video, guys. Wish you the best profit on the next week. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.